Alright, hey, what's up everyone? So I'm going to do a quick overview for March 2026 of all the stocks that I bought and sold uh, over the last month. I made a few moves for my international portfolio. I made a few of them, but in regards to my US stocks wise, not too much, even though the market was volatile with the war going on in the Middle East. So play really really conservative. But yeah, I'll go over what I bought, what I traded, and on some options that I did too. Some did well and some didn't. So I'm gonna do a quick overview. Alright, so before getting the video started, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is just for entertainment and educational purposes. Always do your own research before investing. Alright, so this is what I have in my international portfolio with Interactive Brokers. As you can see here, most of them are from China. The moves that I made, they're all Chinese stocks. Except this one. This is just a dividend from a Thai company, but listed in Singapore. So as you can see here, this one's kind of duplicate, but the only difference is this one is from Hong Kong Exchange. But I decided to sell it. I just put it in Shanghai. I just like it way more. I feel like people will buy it more. Mainlanders will buy it more compared to people would buy in Hong Kong or I mean it's listed in Hong Kong, so I feel like people buy it more in China. So I decided to buy on there, and the 1 year chart is a little bit not too big a difference, but the 5 years chart is a bigger difference. So I decided to buy the one that is listed in Shanghai. Hence why I sold what I have in Hong Kong and transferred to the one I have in Shanghai. But I didn't buy that much. But I want to buy more for April. As you can see here, these are all Chinese stocks. Most of them are banks. I bought one insurance. There's a very big insurance company in China. Iron and steel, just to diversify. I receive a dividend from my Maybank from a Malaysia portfolio. And China Airline, this is a Taiwanese one. I just bought a little. There should be one more. I also bought Eva Air, but I'm not sure why it's not popping up. I just bought today, literally the 31st, so it should be popping up, but it's not. I just bought a little because I'm having a little bit of problem transferring the USD to the Taiwanese currency. It's a little bit. I'm not sure what's going on, so I just bought a little just in case. 'Cause I don't want to pay too much, because I don't have that much USD right now. I don't want to owe too much. Otherwise, I don't want to pay the interest that I don't want to pay the interest something that I don't want. So wouldn't make sense to pay for it. And I can pay for it, but it's the currency converters having a little bit issue. I don't know if it's on purpose, but I just bought a little for right now until I figure out this is how much I'm gonna own right now. But for the China airline, that balance for the USD to Taiwanese currency, that one's all clear. I'm just having a problem with the EVA one. I just bought today, so I think tomorrow it's gonna be settled. Uh, Tomorrow's gonna be settled, so I'm not gonna have any outstanding balance for the Taiwanese one. All right, so for my E-Trade, for my individual account, uh, I did make quite a few transactions, as you can see, quite a lot, but most of them is actually from my weekly automatic investment with SCHD and SCHG. So it's a weekly, so I have 2 trades per week. That's guaranteed. I did do a few option play with Nvidia, because I do own like 400 shares of them, so I just try to sell call just to collect those premiums. Yeah, so I play very conservative. I play very conservative because trying to learn my lesson back then during COVID, because I used to have a lot more, so I'm playing very conservative. So whenever I sell the call, and if it's red the next day, I just want to get my collect the money and still keep the share. So I'm trying to play very conservative. So that hence why it's not that much money, but it's a very safe play. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm not really in a rush to get too much money. So I think I'm okay with that. I did sell a Neo short, so earned a little bit, so that's pretty good, even though it's only like $20. I got rid of a few shares that I have. Aside from like the options playing, I did bought like Microsoft. It's a 2x. I just bought 100 shares because I do have some shares in regular Microsoft shares in my portfolio. I think I have like around 20-ish, like 22 or something. So I didn't buy that much. I just bought 100. I did buy a call for TQQQ. Still currently open, and SoFi. So there, two of them are currently open. Later I'll edit based on what I have, all the transaction, how much I made just for this month. I don't expect too much. I expect only like $100 or something. I don't expect too much because I'm trying to play very conservative. Trying to learn my lesson what I did back then. So trying to play very conservative. All right. So for my Roth, I did made a few errors over here. Yeah, think I had a brain fart or something when I played with the options here. I did try to roll them. Um, I did have a brain fart, so I was definitely in a negative here. As you can see, I'm down $69, so I actually lost money that month. Alright, so Robinhood is just relatively simple. I do have a daily buy with SPY. Other than that, I did receive dividends for some of these positions I have, but they're barely anything. As for SPY, I'm just buying $10 of SPY every single day. But yeah, everything else here is just I got a few dividend payout for some of these positions. But yeah, my Robinhood is pretty much just a meme portfolio, so not really much here going on. All right, so lastly, for Coinbase, it is the most simple one. So literally every week, just $10. Not much, but I'll be upgrading this month, so I should be upgrading. $10 per week is really nothing. But yeah, that's really what I've been doing. I just kept leaving it there, so I didn't touch anything. I don't know how long has it been, but it's been quite a while. As you can see, my average cost is about 40K, so it's been a while. Alright, so that's really pretty much it for my whole portfolio. What I have in Interactive Brokers, E-Trade, Robinhood, and Coinbase. That's really pretty much it. Not much, not really much. All the stuff that I did was very conservative. What I bought uh, and sold for the options especially. But everything else is relatively simple. I did make a few, but not really that much. Again, I'm trying to play really conservative, trying to learn my lesson, what I did back then. But yeah, I did add a few positions. Then I think I'll also add some more. Not any more new stocks, but adding more shares of my current holdings that I have. So that's what I'll be doing for April, which is coming up. All right, yeah, that's really pretty much it. It's relatively simple video. Yeah, that's really pretty much it. All right, thanks. Bye.